Welcome to the Animal Crochet Academy. In this video, you'll be learning how to make a magic circle and what to do after you've completed one. We use a magic circle to start crocheting in rounds, and the point of this method is that the first round is working into the circle. After that, we're able to close it so that there won't be any holes. So let's get started. Start by creating a loop where the working yarn is over the yarn tail. The yarn tail should be 3 inches or 8 centimeters long from the intersection. Then grip the intersection with your left thumb and middle finger. Put the working yarn into crochet position. Now you can pick up your hook and insert it through the loop from the front, and then grab the working yarn and pull it through the loop. Use your thumb and middle finger to grip the middle of the magic circle. Yarn over and pull it through the hole in the loop. If you're having any troubles right now, it might be that you're holding on to the working yarn too tightly, so you need to relax a bit so you can bring the yarn through the loop. I recommend taking the yarn tail out of the circle. You'll now notice that the loop is staying intact now. You can change the size of the circle by pulling the yarn tail, which will make it smaller, and pull the circle if you want it bigger. The right size of the circle is the one that feels comfortable for you. Not too big, not too small. Now proceed with your pattern. Insert your hook into the circle. In this pattern, I'm going to make 6 single crochets. A pro tip is to constantly move your thumb and middle finger under the loops on the hook. Don't worry if it doesn't look like a circle, because you'll see the magic soon. When you completed your first round, pull the yarn tail to close the hole. Voila! Congratulations on finishing your magic circle. You may be thinking, wait, but mine does not look like a circle though. Don't worry, it will naturally turn into a circle in the next round. Another common question is, now that I'm done round 1, where do I put my hook in the next round? The answer is the first stitch of this magic loop. Let's find this stitch. The best way is to count backwards. Since we did 6 single crochet in the first round, I'm counting 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the first stitch. And don't forget to put the marker on the last stitch of the first round. So let's do a quick quiz to see if you are listening. Where do we insert our hook? Yes, you're correct. The first stitch of the previous round. If you need to close the circle with the slip stitch, we insert the hook into the first stitch and make a slip stitch. This creates a nice even edge on the crochet piece. In other words, it'll make your amigurumi look nicer.